Welcome second graders to Genius Wave. Today, we're going to read an exciting story and learn some new vocabulary words. Are you ready? One cold winter morning, Sam woke up to see the ground covered in white, fluffy snow. He quickly put on his coat, hat, and scarf and grabbed his sled. Sam loves to sled down the big hill near his house. As he reached the top of the hill, he saw his friends building a snowman. Sam joined them, and together they built the biggest snowman they had ever seen. After sledding and playing, they all went inside to warm up with hot cocoa. Sam had a big smile on his face, knowing he had the best snowy day ever. Questions and definitions. What did Sam put on before going outside? What did Sam and his friends build? How did Sam and his friends warm up after playing in the snow? Snow, frozen white flakes that fall from the sky in winter. Sled, a vehicle for sliding over snow. Scarf, a piece of cloth worn around the neck for warmth. Build, to make something by putting parts together. Warm, having a comfortable heat. Hill, a raised area of land. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell for more fun stories and words.